Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto with crypto. Com Visa card, updated. Open the crypto. Com app and sign in, then ensure your Visa card is active and funded. Tap Trade, choose Buy, select the crypto and the payment method tied to your Visa card. Confirm the purchase and review the conversion rate and fee summary before completing the transaction to avoid surprises. To fund your crypto, Com Visa card, open Wallet and select Card to view funding options and balance. Link a bank account or debit card for easy top-ups, or convert crypto to fiat within your wallet for instant card spending. Always preview the rate and any fees shown on the confirmation screen, and choose the funding source with the best net cost for your purchase to save on conversion charges. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more updates. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes it effortless, and it keeps your space tidy while you manage finances. Check the description for the link and other deals to save time and money. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. When using your crypto, Com Visa card at checkout, select it like any other card, and let the app handle the crypto to fiat conversion. The merchant receives local currency, while your chosen crypto is debited per the displayed rate. Monitor your daily and per transaction limits in the card settings to prevent declines, and confirm the merchant accepts Visa payments in your region to ensure a smooth checkout experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.